Here's how to check if Instagram account is verified. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to your Instagram account. You will see that your Instagram account is verified if you will see there a blue check icon under or beside your username. Now, as you can see, there is still a check button. It means your account is not verified. To verify your account, go to settings, scroll down until you see there the meta verified. For you to be able to have a verified account on Instagram, you have to avail a business standard plan or other plans such as Business Plus and other plans such as Business Premium and Business Max. This is to help you to have more featured profile and conversations API getaway and search optimization. You will have more insights as well as dashboard seeing to your Instagram account. This will allow you to have ads, payments, branded contents, and you can go ahead and have a paid advertising account to your Instagram.